So going to attempt to put on these aftermarket China mud flaps. Now, I'm not big into buying stuff like this. Had no choice. Audi just doesn't sell it, and especially for an S-Line. I saw something in Europe, but I just didn't want to take the chance that it wouldn't fit. You know what I mean? It was like the closest, but they weren't really saying what it was or what it could be. So far, these things are lining up. They're also lining up with the holes here. Unfortunately, not with the front here. It's so nasty in here. I'm gonna actually vacuum out this junk here because I want to make it as clean as possible. The other thing is that's like a felt. It's not, all these new cars, they do that. They're no longer just pure plastic. They have like a sort of like almost like a carpet to it to hold it in and I guess reduce the sound. But these are always areas, not necessarily here in the back bumper because it's all plastic, but on the front, this is where cars always seem to rust, within that area. Because the stuff gets collected in there, it gets behind everything, and then it just like, you know, creates like plants in there with dirt, rocks, and also leaves and everything. So the front is very important to do, and I plan on keeping this vehicle a long time. Plus I don't want any of the crap flowing all over the place. Look, it's just like a cruddy season. So let's see if we could get these on. So 2 Torx, of course, you know, Audi can't make it easy. Got 2 Torx there, and then there's one right here. So I'm gonna pull that out. This one should be very easy. It should be just like, you know, plug and play almost, but the front one's definitely not going to be, because that's why I'm leaving it for last. So the fronts, of course, there's that's how they line up, this one and then this one, but these two do not exist, these 2 holes. I guess it's going to require some drilling, and then you have to put the rim this way. Hopefully I could fit the drill. I'm not really in the mood to take off the wheel, but if I have to anyway, I want to spray up these calipers. So like I said, it's already getting some nice little leaves in there. So yeah, these things always just fill up, and they just conjugate right in this little area. Even though this one's plastic, but still, it's bad news usually over here. But these are, you know, this is where the rust spots usually are on a lot of cars. Actually, not hard. In. Use the original grommet there, put that back. You know, it's not like a perfect thing to me because it's not OEM, especially this part here, because look, this rubber piece goes all the way down and it's over it. It's wrong. It should have been cut better, but you want to know something? I really want to kind of protect it here, so got no choice.